Hello folks, how you doing? Just want to introduce you to my Matador. This is chassis number 248. Still in its original, well, the original form of its artillery body, or what's left of its artillery body. I've owned this vehicle for about 3 years now, but it's just been patiently biding its time, waiting to have some work done. But finally the time has come. So hopefully I'll do a few more videos for the next sort of coming months, and yeah, see if we can get her running, driving, possibly on the road. As you can see, it's really nice, sort of non-molested condition. Some numbers there, maybe from when it was demobbed, sunk at Ruddington's, unit numbers, unsure. Let's do a bit more research on that. I believe that's an antifreeze marking that was on there. It's a nice little find. Postal registration plate still there, very nice. You'll have to excuse the camera angles a bit. There's not a lot of space here at the moment. The cab itself, again, really nice original condition. I'm sure at some point I will be asking many questions. This is the first Matador I've owned, and although it is largely complete, the previous owner has done an engine change, but the engine has literally just been sat in place. None of the auxiliaries have been connected up. So, although most stuff is self-explanatory, I'm sure there will be the odd, the sort of odds and sods I won't recognise what they are, and I will need a bit of help. At the moment, one of the main considerations to do is timber work. The chassis, from what I can see, looks really sound. However, the timber, as you can see, has suffered just a touch. One of the jobs will be clear the back out and fit that big lump back in. Not saying it's heavy, but it looks bloody heavy. So, plan is, it's now September 2024, and Capable Military Vehicle shows, well, the next one is July 2025. Now, I'm under no illusion this vehicle will be restored, because it won't be, but ideally what I'd really like to do is get it to at least a running driving state and get it to Capable. That's the plan. Wish me luck.